Hi there. This is just an update on the grow room. These are mini yellow bells that are struggling. The yellow bells and the lipsticks both were very yellow. I mean, they're fairly strong plants, but they're definitely lacking in something. They've had the same soil as everything else and same starter mix and same potting mix, but I'm going to put some Epsom salts. Dale suggested that that might help. Could be a magnesium deficiency, so I've just sprinkled some Epsom salts on the surface there, and I'm going to water them in, water the Epsom salts in, and I'll mark these two plants and I'll see what happens. Top water for obvious reasons. It's easier to get the Epsom salts to dilute. So anyway, that's my. I have already done an experiment with the Epsom salts, but it's inconclusive as of yet. All of these lipsticks were all. These have all had some Epsom salts, and these three in a line here haven't. They didn't get any. So I'm trying to compare. This is an older yellow bell, and I think when they get to a certain point they're gonna start turning green. This one has got some nice colour in it now, and that bigger lipstick there has some nice colour. So I think once they're past a certain stage, hopefully these are all strong enough that they'll just find what they're lacking in the soil. I'm not sure why they went yellow, but they're strong plants. Now this one is a Tam jalapeno, and it's struggling. It's been struggling for about a week, and if you can see, it's trying to produce flower buds, and the leaves just don't look, it doesn't look happy at all. So what I'm going to do, I didn't trim the top out of this one. So we have 1, 2, 3 sets of leaves and then the top, but I'm just going to cut the top out. And you can see there's new growth ready to start there, and hopefully that'll strengthen the plant. But I guess we will find out. That seems an extreme lot to cut off, but it's trying to put energy into the fruit, into the peppers, and not into the plant. So we will see if that helps. And these are my Aleppos. They're all coming along nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I have about 8, 9 maybe Aleppos. And the Doe Hills on this side. There's 5 of them. I only have about 3 of the Wenk. And the yellow here is the lipstick. And this is a mini yellow bell. The nice green one's a Jimmy Nardello. It's one thing for Jimmy Nardello, they always produce nice strong plants. And then over here, these are all Matchbox coming along. And that was the last ditch effort for my Hungarian black in here. And I had 3 seedlings sprouted from plastic bags. And I thought I'd put them in, and one of them is surviving, but 2 of them died. They're just not good seeds, I guess. And this is my International House tomatoes. Very slow, but they're growing. They look healthy. They're just not doing much, which is amazing considering they're sitting on a heat mat. There's a heat mat underneath here, and there's a heat mat under that one there too. So I'm not quite sure. They seem to be slow compared to Davies and Dales. Maybe I'm not feeding them properly. I probably need to feed them better. But anyway, so that's my Epsom salts test. I will mark them and keep an eye on them, see if it helps. This one doesn't look very healthy at all, but so we'll see if it helps. And my Oric, and I have some lettuce and more tomatoes back there, some basil. This Gardener's Delight. I forget what the other tomato is. I think it's a one from Halvor in Norway. I think it's a Mennonite yellow or something. I'm not sure. And these are more mini yellow bells. These three here, again very yellow. There's some more Aleppos on the back side there. And this is my lunch, and I just harvested this lettuce. So this is straight from the it's going to be cheese and cucumber and lettuce sandwiches for lunch. And this just came straight from my cracky pots from around the back here. I just harvested it off of that one. And these I've already harvested once, and they're all filling out nicely again. Top the pots up again. Doing really nicely. So I put a sheet of Mylar over to see if it would help the tomatoes. But I've been working all morning doing potting these all up. These are all freshly potted up. And all those all freshly potted up. And all those freshly potted up. Running out of spaces to put them. But anyway, these ones I'm trying to reorganize. These are Matchbox that I've got yet to. I have to make some more of these pots. These are the Walmart drinking cups, and you just drill holes in the bottom, and they make great little. I have the clear ones and the red ones. I got the red ones this year, so I just use my hand drill and drill about 6 or 8 holes. So that's where I'm at. That's my update. A little bit more work to do, and I'm trying to get this organised so that I can get more seeds planted, because I have a whole bunch of seeds that I want to plant in that tray. So that's why I'm having to organise. I'd also like to be able to drop this light down, so I've been trying to get all the tall plants out of here so that I can drop it down for the seedlings, for more lettuce and other. So that's it. That's a little extreme for that jalapeno, but it looks a bit sad, so we'll see if that helps. Maybe it'll put some energy back into the plant now. Anyway, that's it for now. That's my update. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Oh, back again. I was just going to say this is March the 28th. So that's the update for March 28th, end of March. Oh, 29th actually, sorry. That's all. So, thanks for watching.